Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Grid Post for Instagram. Plan your grid layout first by choosing a cohesive color palette and a posting sequence. Sketch the order of 9 or 12 posts so images form patterns or reveal a larger image. Balance content types like photos, quotes, and product shots to keep interest. Save templates and captions in draft to speed posting and maintain consistency across your profile. Start by selecting a single set of filters and presets to create a uniform aesthetic that ties the grid together. Design reusable templates for quote cards and announcements so you can batch create content quickly. Write captions and assemble hashtag groups that match each post type to improve discoverability. Consistent styling and prepared text save time and help your audience recognize your brand when they scroll. Choose a scheduling tool that offers a visual grid preview so you can see your feed before posting and preserve layout integrity. If you want a mosaic, crop a large image into equal tiles and upload them in the correct order. Track engagement to learn which patterns and post types get the best response, then adjust timing and content mix to grow reach and keep the grid looking fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.